We are pleased to show you 2016 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, auto express down window, cruise control, climate control, CD player, compass, trip computer, power windows, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.